Hi everyone, welcome to Sydney Visa Migration Agency YouTube channel. I am Anna and I work at Sydney Visa Migration Agency. In this video, I will briefly describe you the process of applying for South Australia's nomination. Please keep in mind that if you are interested in how individuals come to Australia, you may like to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so that you are alerted when our new videos are uploaded. At the start of this video, I'd like to tell you that state nomination requirements are often get changed and that you can find the most up-to-date information about South Australia's nomination policies on the Move to South Australia website. For skilled migrants, state nomination can assist you to qualify for a skilled migration visa from the Australian Government, the Department of Home Affairs, providing additional points towards your subclass 190 or subclass 491 application. There are two skilled migration visa options available for South Australia's state nomination. Skilled nomination permanent visa, subclass 190. This is a state-nominated permanent visa for skilled migrants that allows you to live and work in South Australia. And skilled work regional provisional visa, subclass 491. This is a state-nominated provisional visa for skilled migrants that allow you to live and work in South Australia for up to 5 years and can provide a pathway to permanent residency. Please note, state nomination does not automatically result in the grant of a visa. Your application must also be assessed by the Department of Home Affairs against several visa-specific requirements. You will only be granted a visa if all requirements are met. Benefits of the state nomination in South Australia. In addition to enjoying the fantastic lifestyle and work opportunities on offer, applying for state nomination in South Australia will provide you with access to an extensive list of occupation, additional points towards the Department of Home Affairs point test for the 190 and 491 visas, priority visa application processing for the subclass 491 visa. If you are applying for state nomination for a skilled migration visa, please remember to collect all relevant supporting documents that you are required for your application. When applying for South Australia's nomination, be sure that all required documents are provided with your application submission. Any documentation provided after the submission, unless requested by Skilled and Business Migration, will not be accepted. Upload only one copy of each document and ensure that its format and size are appropriate. If you do not include mandatory documents, your application could be refused. Please remember that all documents must be in English or translated into English by a qualified translator. If you are submitting a general migration application under one of the available nomination streams, I told you about these streams in our previous video, you will need to provide the following supporting documents. A copy of the biographical detail page of your current valid passport. This document is also required for your partner if you are including them in your application. A positive and valid skills assessment assessed by the relevant skills assessing authority for your nominated occupation. A copy of your English language test certificate. A graduation certificate and/or academic transcript for any qualification relevant to your nominated occupation or any qualifications you are claiming points for your skill select expression of interest. You will need to provide the following supporting documents as evidence of your work experience: letters from employees and evidence of payment. If you are applying under the Outer Regional South Australia stream, please provide a letter of support from your employer outlining why you should be considered for this state nomination. If you are applying under the Offshore stream, provide a copy of your resume. If you are a 457, 428 or 494 visa holder with more than 12 months remaining on your visa, please remember to provide a letter from your current employer consenting to your state nomination application. If you are a self-employed applicant or a subcontractor, please provide invoices showing debtors, hours worked and rate of pay in date order for the work experience period required for your occupation, a copy of your annual tax return, a notice of assessment, if available, issued by the Australian Taxation Office for each year of self-employment, bank statements for the business in date order for the work experience period required for your occupation. Those who reside in South Australia need to provide bank statements in your name showing salary transactions and daily expenses for the work experience period required for your nominated occupation, and proof of residential address. If you are a long-term resident of South Australia, you will need to provide evidence of continuous residency for the period required in South Australia. If you are submitting your ROI application under the highly skilled and talented stream, you will need to provide a copy of your resume and a copy of your current employment contract. Please remember to provide a letter of job offer if you are applying from onshore and have a job offer in South Australia or intend to relocate to South Australian office of your current company. It is very important that you have reviewed all requirements and prepared all supporting documentation prior to lodging a state nomination application. Before you start your application on the Skilled and Business Migration portal on Migrate to South Australia website, please ensure you have done the following. You reviewed all nomination requirements specific to your circumstances. You prepared all of the required documentation to support your state nomination application for your chosen skilled migration visa. Once you have prepared all your required supporting documentation, you can lodge your state nomination application through the portal. If you are having difficulties navigating the state nomination and visa application process, you can engage Sydney Visa and we will help you understand all requirements and options available to you and guide you through this difficult and stressful process. Our team of registered migration agents and migration lawyers with more than 20 years of experience in migration law will be happy to help. If you are just starting your migration journey, please complete one of our questionnaires. We left the links in the description below this video. And a member of our staff will get back to you as soon as possible. Please remember that if you subscribe to our channel, you will find out about Australia's immigration news and policies as soon as we post a new video. As always, you are more than welcome to ask your question in the comment section below. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye-bye.